YouTube has totally changed the face of entertainment worldwide and created some huge stars along the way. It seems so simple, right? Just record yourself doing something cool, post it online, and next thing you know, you're in YouTube Rewind, right? Well, there's actually a lot more hard work that goes into being a YouTuber, but the rewards can be incredible. Some of the richest new celebrities from the past decade have come from YouTube. But just how much do the biggest YouTubers make?
Imagine turning your social media hobby into a business that can bring in passive income month over month. Social media payouts distribution services guarantee that your submitted videos will receive 3K to 10K views per video. You can turn your social media hobby into a full-time career with our support. Now, how to apply for YouTube's partner program in 2022 and be fully monetized in less than 49 days gets to the crux of why you're watching this video. But before we continue, hi there, and thanks for watching this YouTube monetization series featuring Trend Central. You're here to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel to begin having YouTube send you organic traffic to your online concerns. Let's do a quick sound check to confirm if you are in the right place. Okay. Great. Then let's begin. Have you ever wondered privately, or maybe shared aloud the following? How do savvy YouTubers who have a modest YouTube channel consistently rank their videos and get viral traffic? How to apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel. How to apply to the new YouTube Partner Program, new requirements. New YouTube Monetization 2022 rules and updates. How to make money on YouTube without showing your face 2022. How influencers and successful YouTube channels earn 8 figures on YouTube. How to monetize your YouTube channel in less than 49 days. If these questions resonate with you, then you are in the right place. If not, please exit this experience now, before we dive even deeper into our discussion on how to apply and get monetized for YouTube's partner program in 2022 or 2023. Also, we would like to draw your attention to the background of this running YouTube video. You'll notice that you're viewing our YouTube channel, a channel that prides itself on actionable information that also demonstrates the various ways one can effectively make money online. Currently, in the background of this video, is another video we did that was a similar review to this one of the videos we submitted to social media payouts for their bonus distribution service. This particular video is on its way to becoming viral, and is certainly the best performing video we've had on this particular YouTube channel. This review demonstrates the power of social media payouts guarantees, to qualify your YouTube channel, with complete automation, yes, without you having to lift a finger, and do so all in less than 49 days. A task that takes many years to become a successful YouTube partner can be taken care of seemingly in a blink. Keep in mind YouTube is bigger than Netflix and Facebook on the video side combined if you needed more context.
KSI. KSI is one of the biggest YouTubers to come out of England, with a respectable 20+ million subscribers. He made a name for himself through FIFA videos and rap music, having actually worked with some big names in UK hip-hop. Along the way, he picked up vlogging, and even had a boxing match with American YouTuber Logan Paul, earning an estimated $11 million. With money like that, it's no wonder KSI casually bought a gold iPhone X while walking around a mall in Dubai, coming in at a cool $40,000. But that's chump change compared to some of the massive purchases this UK YouTuber has made. In March of 2019, KSI unveiled his $500,000 custom-made chain modeled after the Dragon Ball Super character, Beerus. The chain contains over 2,000 stones. It took 550 hours of craftsmanship to make by one of the best jewelers in London. According to Social Blade, between his two channels, KSI likely makes between $1.2 and $3.2 million annually. Sure is a long way to come from recording yourself playing FIFA.
And so today, we know you need help with your digital marketing campaigns, your products, services, and offers that you want to put interested eyeballs onto via your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel at large. So this amazing virtual assistant offer is a huge time saver in getting your YouTube channel, video comments, and qualified watch time. You also get free video creation services, complete with keyword research, and a guaranteed 3K to 10K distribution service, which is featured in our video review series of this amazing limited time offer. Also, you get direct benefits from Google sending organic views and subscribers to the videos on your YouTube channel, being that Google owns YouTube. So becoming a YouTube partner also makes you indirectly a partner with Google. So, how does that sound? Also, because your YouTube channel is qualified for monetization, each time you invest in time or resources to create a video and upload and distribute it, YouTube will begin paying you per video, which will cut your advertising costs significantly, and could even be to a point that you don't need to ads to still attain your goals online. This specialized service, YouTube and video marketing service, is also responsible for some of the biggest channels on YouTube, with some of your favorite gurus, influencers, and big business personalities using it. So when we caught wind of this secret sauce to timely YouTube monetization, increased watch time, and subscribership, we knew we wanted to do a YouTube outsourcing service review for not just your YouTube channel but also for your videos, and we wanted to share this experience with you. I mean, most YouTube participants want traffic to their videos, which in turn leads to their links, right?
David Dobrik. Have you ever wanted to be friends with the characters from your favorite TV shows? Well, David Dobrik made that dream a reality, becoming best friends with Josh Peck from Drake and Josh. Of course, that's no surprise considering how charismatic and likable the Slovakian vlogger is, and his respectable 13.8 million subscriber channel proves it. Dobrik lives in a $2.5 million mansion in Los Angeles, which he says is not too big, not too small, not too modern, and not too old. Perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Except for that price tag, of course.
I like that a lot.
David doesn't just use his millions to spoil himself, though, and famously prefers to spend it to make his friends happy. And, of course, then record their reactions and post them on YouTube in order to make it back.
Whose is that?
Yours?
No. Oh my god. Holy
So far, he's bought 15 of his friends' brand new cars, with the help of some sponsors, as well as highly sought-after Hamilton tickets, which honestly might be worth more than some of those cars. His channel brings in between $4.8 and $13 million a year. All in all, Dobrik is living proof that dreams definitely do come true.
So whether you have a business or is a social media influencer, Social Media Payouts has you covered. Schedule a time to get all your questions answered, or just order this guaranteed service, and see your YouTube channel transform fantastically, almost overnight. Social Media Payouts only work with the best of the best. So if you're looking to scale your business, Social Media Payouts offers a scalable solution with guaranteed results. So say goodbye to the days of having to hire, manage, and fire social media managers. Social Media Payouts is now your one-stop shop for monetization of your social media YouTube channel. If this service bonus offer can do what we saw it doing in this review video, imagine having this celebrity virtual assistant agency operating on your behalf. The link to all the videos on this topic will be in the description. So if you're looking to scale your business, Social Media Payouts offers a scalable solution that will save you time and money.